Are you looking to learn how you can color code certain values within a board within Monday.com? Let me show you two different ways how you can do that.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
I want to share with you two different ways that you can color code either columns or rows within Monday.com. So here you can see I created a board just for testing, and it really was based off a client who wanted to mark inventory. They actually set up different Christmas lights and ornaments in people's gardens. So they had tons of inventory that they needed to keep track of, like how many different wreaths did they have and how many different white lights and blue lights. Literally, they must have had like 30 different products, and they wanted to color code different columns so that way they can easily view this board, because this board had like, I don't know, 90 columns or something like that, because they also brought in price and quantity and everything. So what I created here was just a simple version of that board. And here you could see that we just have price and quantity. So the first way that you can color code items is by conditional coloring, which is directly within Monday.com. You click on these three dots, and if you see this paint can over here, it looks like a picture actually that is spilling paint. This is conditional coloring. And if you click on it, so what happens is you can choose the color. And here we have the status columns, but they're not as bright as the status columns. And you can choose either a cell or row, and then you can choose a condition. So like, let's just say we're going to do when price, and then you have all these different options. Let's just say is not empty. So therefore it's green. So here you could see all my price columns are not empty. So therefore it's green. Let's do another one. Do the same thing. And I'm going to add a new condition. And let's say this green, and I want to do for quantity. And here I can do quantity is, let's say that. And here you could see, since everything's over 2, so therefore it turns green. And then maybe we could do red to tell us if it's under a certain amount, because we may need to order more, have more in quantity, in stock. So this is one way to do it. You can also do it on the row level, as you saw if I would click here. So here I have cell, and then I can change it to a row, and you can see that it just changed all of my rows to those colors. Another way that you can do this is actually with an app, and it's called the Color app, I think. Let me just check. Color columns. So I've already installed this app, and here I'm going to click on color columns, and it's going to create a new view. Now, as I was testing this out, it did not work until I added it in the Chrome store from the Chrome store as an extension. So make sure to do that. Now, what you do is it's pretty straightforward. You click on price, and then you can choose what color you want. So here I'm going to go to price, choose that, and let's just say quantity. I'll choose something in the greens, and I'm going to hit save. And now when I go back to my board, I probably should have gotten rid of, I did already. Okay, sorry, let me delete that. But you can see that I have the blue and the green showed up on those columns. This seems like an app that could be very helpful because it's a little bit stronger columns than Monday, which I like, but you can see that it's not easy to read these columns. Like, I really want this text to be in white. So I would say that that's a con of this app. Additionally, I think there's a lot more features that can be added here. Like I can copy a color from one column to another column. I can easily delete the colors. Like, I couldn't figure out how to delete it. So I had to go back and click on white. And then I don't even know if that was really white. Also, if I want to add a hex code, that would be a great feature to be able to do it. And sometimes it seems like it takes a minute till it adds the color. So see, I didn't save it before. That's why it didn't work right now. But you can see that it took a minute till it actually added the color. So all in all, I think that the conditional coloring in Monday is a good option for many use cases, but sometimes it will take a while to set up. If you want something that's a little bit brighter, and we'll always have based on the whole column, because remember, the conditional coloring could be like, it has to be a specific condition. So it could be if you want the whole column, I mean, you have to do if the field is empty or if it's not empty. So for each column, you may have two conditions. But those are two different options that I know about to color code the columns, and I hope this is helpful.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.